In this animation, we will demonstrate the repair of a fractured patella. The patella is a small, floating bone that glides over the femur or thigh bone. It connects the muscles of the thigh to the tibia or the shin bone, helping the knee to move. The most common reason for patella fracture is due to trauma. First, your surgeon aligns the pieces of the fracture. Next, a series of guides are used to place pins across the fracture in preparation for final fixation of the fracture. After pin insertion, your surgeon prepares the bones for screw insertion. Once the screws are placed and the fracture is secured, a specific high-strength suture is passed through the screws. Finally, the suture ends are tied to reinforce the repair and maximize healing. This completes the repair of the fractured patella.